Hey everybody, my name's Mike Montgomery and I just shot a show for Home Depot and it's called How to Undo. Well, that didn't go well, but we can undo it.
How to Undo with Mike Montgomery. That's me.
It's all about fixing some of the most common DIY mistakes that people make around their house doing home improvement and renovation projects. And if you're seeing this video, that means episode 1 just went live. So if you want to see the first episode, make sure and follow the link down in my description to Home Depot's page. We shot the show late January, early February of 2021 in Atlanta, where Home Depot is headquartered. Before we did anything, I showed up 2 weeks earlier and I stayed quarantined in an Airbnb all by myself. And on top of quarantine, we did COVID tests on tests on tests. And if you have not done one of these yet, they really stick that cotton swab far up your nose. All in all though, it was really reassuring knowing that the production was taking all of their due diligence and proper steps to make sure that everyone was safe. A day before shooting, I could show up for rehearsals. This is where I got to check out the set, which was this really cool seamless background.
And here is our incredible set. We got the seamless, all white, looking good. This is the cave where our cameramen do their magic.
We had a great writing and directing team that were able to make these cold opens to introduce the undo for each episode in a really funny way.
Action. So you just finished mounting your TV. And now it's unmounted. Let's undo it.
Each episode of How to Undo is paced really quickly and they're super information dense. And the sets and fixtures we used did a great job of setting everything up. For example, on our toilet episode, we had a whole tank that was cut in half. That way you could see inside of it and we were able to demonstrate all of the inner workings so that people could understand the anatomy of their toilet better.
And that's what a toilet looks like on the inside.
That's better.
Pretty sick.
Big props to our props and set department. All in all though, I've got to give a gigantic thank you to the crew and the team involved. From getting the show created to getting the show produced and filmed and edited, everyone, thank you times a million. I also need to give a big thank you to you all, the people watching, because without you guys, I wouldn't have been able to get anybody's attention to be able to do things like this. Thank you again, everybody. Thank you, Home Depot. Make sure and follow the links down in the description to check out episode 1 of How to Undo with me, Mike Montgomery.
I don't normally drink tea, but when I do, I let it steep for 3 hours. It is so strong. Hopefully it works though, because my voice is a little cracky today. The shoot is going great so far. Couldn't ask for anything better. So we just applied that backsplash in record time. I can't take too much credit though. The crew helped a ton and we killed it. Check it out. Not bad. One of the big lessons in this episode is to always use spacers. I always like having 2 where the tiles meet vertically and then 1 on either side. That way there's always 3 points to push against. Next, grout. Now that's a beautiful backsplash. And it works.
And action.
For small cracks or chips in your tile, like this, just paint over it with specialty 2-part tile paint. For sure. Right here. Next, we're shooting green screen footage, but it should be really fun.
Who's talking?
Safety tip. Safety tip. Safety tip.
Mark. That's gonna be hilarious.
Tom Cruise, right? Yeah.
stand on that, Mike, I swear.
Well, I heard I'm doing a bowling ball now.
Yeah, I like that.
I was fine up until
He's
the
smart.
bowling ball
He's
thing
like,
came
yeah.
out. You just finished installing your new bathroom tile. It's smooth, flat, and fixable. So you just installed your new bathroom tile. Let's test and see if it's flat with a bowling ball. Whoops.
And action. Action.
Yeah, it'd been cool if there was like a piece that like ricocheted out or something. Yeah.
And action.
Got it.
Good enough.
That's what we're looking for.
Perfect. Nailed it.
Is it just voiceover or no? It's how to bowl, drop, and cut. That's pretty satisfying, right? And that's a wrap. 10 episodes in 10 days. That was crazy and fun and productive, and we killed it. Can't wait for you guys to see this. Oh wow, perfect timing with the lights. We made it, 10 episodes.
Super pro producer right here.
Yeah. To undo with Mike Montgomery.
Did great, man.
Looks great. Looks great.
We did it. We did amazing.
Hey, you need to take my mic off?
I already got it.
Oh.
I'm that good. You didn't even notice.
Georgia, how did we do? How do you feel? You think we made it okay? All right. Julie, how did our COVID compliance go?
Everyone adhered to everything. It was perfect. We kept Mike safe.
Anita, our art director.
Mike was kind of a pain in the ass.
Anita showed me how to undo everything.
Yeah.
I need your thoughts. How did we do?
Good times.
You fixed it all.
Chuck, you saved my life there. I almost lost a finger.
You know, that's what I did.
And we used his hand for the wig.
That's right. The man, the myth, the legend.
AC Slater. The main thing I learned was how to get a 7-10 split.
Look at your mask.
Relax and drink a beer. I was stealing candy from babies.
It was just so easy. Yeah? What do you think?